Okay, Scott, today is your day. We're going to get you started so we can get you back to full health. Okay, there's your dial. Looks very nice, super clean. Okay, I'm not expecting a date, and there isn't one. It's not unexpected for these Hong Kong based 6309s. Oh my, that's a lot of wear. So you definitely need your jeweling done here. Yep. Interesting. This has the small hole third wheel. Ooh. Grimy. Okay, that is tear down complete. We're gonna hand clean some of these parts and do some jeweling here. This arbor hole here is really worn, so we're gonna get that taken care of. We'll get things sort of cleaned up and ready to roll. So we'll be back with new parts and clean parts. Okay, we're back. Well, everything's out of the cleaner. Overall, things came out pretty nicely. You did have a bad mainspring. It turns out and a bad barrel actually. So had to replace these. We'll talk about that a little bit later. I'll give you some details. But you have a new mainspring barrel and a new mainspring itself. You also have a new jewel here for your lower mainspring arbor port and a jewel for your upper mainspring arbor port here. And in fact, I think I can link this sort of egregious wear over on this side to the wear that's actually in your barrel that led me to replace it. It turns out that because the bridle of your mainspring was badly damaged, I think it was leading to some downstream issues that we've now taken care of. So we're ready to go. We're going to start putting things together, and we're going to get it finished. there we go. Okay, let's check and see how it's doing. Okay, Scott, so here we are. I'm gonna start doing some adjusting. This is not a bad place to start. Certainly a lot better than where we found it in the beginning. Alright, let's see if we can get your beat error taken down a bit. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and bring the rate down. Okay. A little bit too far. Let's see if we can get back a little bit. Okay. Well, all right. Let's get it back. Oh my goodness. It's the seesaw. Try and get it perfect. All right. So I think that's pretty good for a starting point. We're gonna go ahead and let this break in a little bit, and I'm gonna keep a close eye on that amplitude to see how well that jumps up. The lubrication has to make its way around through the pivots and everywhere, so it will come up. I'm pretty confident. So I'm gonna keep a close look at that, and we'll be back. All right. Okay, Scott. Well, we are over to the other side. Everything's looking really great. Numbers have been holding steady, so I am prepared to put things in their final state so we can get you back in your case and finish up the watch. Okay, Scott. Well, here we are at the end of the process. Got your watch back together and in the case, so we're gonna get everything tidied up. Put these last few components in. And there it is. Your really nice Hong Kong 6309, which came out just really nice. Let's get a, oh, I wish we could get that right. There we go. Okay. All right, well, here it is. Here's your watch. It certainly should look familiar. We didn't change anything cosmetically other than the crystal, of course. I was able to just clean your case. Everything came apart. Of course, we took it all down, you know, all the pieces and parts, took the crystal out, took all the seals off, got everything so that it's just as it was when it left Seiko. New seals, rebuilt crown, new bezel seal, new case back seal, service of the movement. You had a few very minor things that needed to be replaced. Your barrel, I don't know if you can see this, but you see these lines here. This should not be here. This means that your mainspring was digging into your barrel over time. And not only that, there's a groove here that shouldn't actually be there. It's actually cut into the barrel, which I think was, you know, there's this cascading effect when parts go bad. And here's your bridle of your mainspring, and it had actually snapped off. This had gotten really badly put. This actually goes against the inside of this little metal container that holds your mainspring. And when this got bad, it just led to an effect of not only this wear, but the wear on your on the actual bridge of your movement, etc., etc. And so that needed to be replaced. Some other, you know, small things. Here's your old crystal and your old seals. Here's your upper bushing as part of your mainspring upper port replacement and jeweling. So that's now ready to come back. I'm going to put your mainspring in a separate bag here. Put that in there. That will all come home with your watch. But overall, you know, your watch came out really well. Everything clicks as it should. Nice smooth action to the bezel. So that's really good. Let's take your movement through a date and day changeover. And here we go. And now for the date and the day. And now that we're in the lower half of the watch, whoops, went too far. We can do the day and date, quick date. Get everybody going through here. And there we go. All right, well, Scott, thank you very much for trusting me with this lovely turtle. I hope you enjoy it and wear it a lot. I also have your old spring bars. Those will come back. Sorry for all the noise. They were really not correctly sized, so I literally had to crimp them to get them off. But I'll put these back in the bag and send you home with a new set that are correct. So again, thank you very much, and thank you for watching.